Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Dyana's kitchen. Hey guys, so right now we are going to the meat shop, me and my husband. All right, so I am taking you with me, guys, to show you, how the meat shop set up. If you're cooking for Thanksgiving, maybe the meat shop is the best place if you're gonna, have people over, because you have so many meat to choose from. All right, guys. So, guys, we are going on the road right now. See you shortly. So we are on the road. Me and my husband going to the meat shop for Thanksgiving. Guys, I'm walking right now to the meat market. Yep. So we are going there right now. So guys, we are about to check out. We finished our meat shop. So now we are checking out. So right now we're in the line right now. Checking out. Okay? Going on back right now. All right. We are finished. So guys, I just come back in the car. Just finished meat shop
So we are home sweet home. Happy Thanksgiving again, guys, from my family to yours. Keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.